Alright, Tom and Lisa, I just want to show you quickly how to edit the pages in your new website on WordPress. So until we launch the site, you can reach the site anytime by going to dev.rtmpcrepair.com. To sign into the site, I'll also send this in the email. It's /wp-login.php. Then it will bring you up with this. I'll also send those credentials in the email. Just put the username and password. I recommend using copy and paste. You can copy things quickly with your keyboard by pushing Control C, and paste is Control V. Alright, so once you're logged in, this is the page it will bring you to. It's just the default starting page. So there's two ways to get to whatever page you want to edit. One way is right here on the left side. There's a pages section. You can go to pages and then all pages. And then here's your list of pages. From here you just click the edit button, which I'll do on sewer jetting, and it will bring up the edit options. Once you're signed into the site, the other way is it will now add this little black bar to the top of your website. So any page you go to will have the black bar, and you can see right here one of the options is edit page. So if you're looking at the front side of your website, you can just click edit page here, and it will bring you to the same exact page as this one did. So then once you're in the edit page of the back end, really just to edit text, all you're going to want to do is, probably scroll down a little bit. If you want to change the page title, you would change it up here. If you want to change the link of the page, which right now is sewer-jetting, you'd click edit what you want, and then push OK. As for editing the page content, it's all this container right here. So what you do is you just hover over it, and then it's this little pen. Click that, and then it will bring up a word processor. So it's very similar to Microsoft Word. It's not quite as robust, but you can do pretty much everything you want in here. So anything that you edit in here, a lot of it is just like Word. So you can edit anything you want. If you want to change the color of a word, you would just select the word, go to text color, and select what you want. If you want to bold anything, here's bold right here. Here's italic. Here's a bulleted lists, and so on and so forth. If you just hover your mouse over any of these icons, it will tell you exactly what it will do. But anyway, so whenever you're done editing the page, what you want to do is just push save right here, and then update the page. And this little wheel will spin until the page has been updated, and then it will refresh the page, and then those changes will be live on the site. So anything that you edited in the back end, once you save the editor and then update the page, will be live on the front end. Let's see. So in the back end, there is image frames too. And you can add all this stuff in. From talking with Tom, it doesn't really sound like you guys are going to do much besides edit just the words. So I'm going to try to keep this quick and simple. If you do want to change the image on the top of the page, which me and Tom have added to a couple, so like this image right here, all you do is you hover your mouse again, just like this one, and click the pen, and then it would be this button. So just to show you again, click the pen, and then it would look like this. If an image already is there, like it is on waterproofing, your options, like you'd see the preview right here, your options would be remove and edit. If you wanted to change the picture, you'd hit remove and then upload image, and then you can drag and drop an image or anything else over here. Just select what you want, insert into page, and then again, just like everything else, you'd click save, update, and then it would be live on that page. So sewer jetting didn't used to have an image. Now look at the front page, and I know that isn't the right image, but just for the purposes of the video, so that's not what's there. So let's say you accidentally click something besides the pen. The second thing here is clone element. So what that will do is if you click it, it creates two of them, and it will clone exactly what's in it. So if you accidentally click it, you definitely want to erase the old one. If you want to save the element to import it to a different page, you could do so, but to completely delete the element. So this second image frame, which obviously is not right now, it's showing two images. It's the last icon. If you hover your mouse over it, it says delete element. It looks like a little garbage can. Just click the garbage can, it removes it, and then you update the page again. And there you go. Now it's gone. I hope that was good enough for you guys to get in here and to edit the Word content. If you need me to make another video explaining how to edit something else, or just get more detailed about how to do this or that, just send me an email.